Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you about 4 iPhone settings which you never change in your iPhone. So let's start the video. For the first setting, you have to go to General in your Settings app, then go to Date and Time, and here you can see it is written as Set Automatically. Always turn this option on, never turn this off because changing this option may disturb many of your iPhone apps. So never change this setting in your iPhone. Moving toward the second settings, open your settings app, then go to accessibility and here open text size and display. Scroll down till bottom and you can see auto brightness option. It is turned on as default and you also don't have to turn it off. Auto brightness helps the screen brightness whenever it is in dark mode or dark area, and whenever it is in sun it adjusts the brightness according to it, and it also helps in making the screen better and look better to the user. For third settings, open settings app again, scroll down and here you can see messages area. Open it and there is an option send as SMS. It is turned on as default and you never have to change this as turned off. Because turning off this option means you can't send messages on your iPhone on any other apps and you are binded to the SMS app only. So never turn this option off as well. For the fourth and last settings, open settings app again and search my number in the search box. Open this option my number and here is the option my number. Add your number here. Which SIM is in this iPhone, add that number. If you add that number, then it is helpful whenever you lose your iPhone, it helps in finding your iPhone. So these are the 4 settings which you never have to change in your iPhone because it will disturb your iPhone and disturb your social network. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.